Hey y'all, so I'm going to finish, believe it or not, I think I'm going to finish. Are y'all wondering where I am? I'm just walking around the room, finishing, just having a good time. That candle, it's got such a tiny flame you almost don't notice it. That's dangerous. Be careful once you light a candle that you remember you lit it. Be careful. Okay, so I was going to show you, I just was finishing up my mascara. Oh, I can't see my new little earrings there. This curl keeps getting stuck on them. It's the only bad thing, kind of go behind my ear. There. Is that better? Did I show better now? Still popping the makeup off this shirt. Okay. This is the new look. Let me show you the old and the new. Oh, I almost just reached right over that. Forget it. It is actually a candle bit. Oh, there's another new one. Where's an old one? There. Okay, so this is the difference in the old and new look. You probably can see it best with the light color. The word nail color has been removed and the color has been moved to the back. So that's the difference. See how this is just nothing but the name. I guess they're like, we know it's nail color. You don't have to say that. And then the color has been moved to the back on here. Where it's on the front on here. I love this. Now these are flammable, so I'm definitely being careful about putting them near that. And we'll put this back there next to that. That and that. There. It's fine. Alright, so, because this is another one. This was called Rouge Potion. I guess it's very red. It's got very little pink to it. And I do want to try it, but I'm going to wait on that. Today I'm going to be doing this one, and this is 566 washed denim, and I can't wait. But I do want to tell you guys, because I'm a big, I've been really pushing y'all on doing the, I keep saying Pacifica. It's not Pacifica. It's Mineral Fusion, and it has a lot of things that aren't in it, so it's better for your nails. But I use the top coat, and y'all, I have to tell you, it is already peeling, and I literally did it last night before I went to bed so I could do my nails this morning. And like in your bed, what do you really do that would cause you to chip your nails? And they all look like they're lifting. The polish is lifting. So I'm trying to decide, am I going to go over that? Because then it's just going to make the polish lift. Anyway. So mascara. I didn't do mascara. I wasn't finished in my last video. We use this. The Tarte. I already did my eyelash curler from Charlotte Tilbury. This one. I absolutely love it. It's rose gold, which I really could care less, but it does look awfully pretty with all my rose gold stuff. But also, it's such a wide band, and it's such a, what am I trying to say? It's such a, it gets all of your lashes in. So, let's go ahead and tip these out a little bit. It just gets the ends really good. And then start from the root and go out to the ends and just comb it on through. Now, this is a thicker formula, so it's good that they've got a comb style wand, because it kind of just combs all those globs through, so it does give you a little bit thicker look because of the globs, but not too globby. Does that make sense? Yeah. I'm going to tip my lower lashes out a little bit. You almost can't see my lashes because I use such a dark color underneath. I went with the pencil brush this time, and normally I stay closer to the lash with a darker color just to make the lash line pop. But today, because I'm going on like date day with my husband, it's Saturday, and we're just going to go have some time together. We just feel like we miss each other, and between stuff with kids and grandkids and work, and actually we don't get to see our kids and grandkids enough. But we just had them this weekend, and then, you know, been working a lot and other little extracurricular activities. Nothing wrong. All these are great things. It's just, You still need time for just you and your husband, without the kids, without the grandkids, just you. As you're a family, but you're also, the nucleus of the family is the mother and the father, or the grandparents, or whatever. And you have to protect that time as well as you're having time with your family from, work and all that. First and foremost, you need to protect your relationship with your marriage. And one of the ways to protect it is just have some alone date time. Just go do some stuff together like when you were dating. Just what made you fall in love with that person in the first place? Why did you even marry him? You had some good times with them, and you enjoyed that time with them. And now it may almost feel deliberate or awkward because you haven't done it in so long, but do it anyway. Do it anyway. There is so much fallout because I didn't get all my mascara off last night, and I think what this fallout is old mascara. Isn't that embarrassing? I do. I think that's what it is. So with all that fallout, it's on my shirt again. I'm going to have to pop my shirt, but don't rub. And don't rub on your face either. Just get like a dual fiber brush and flick up. Like that, and it'll come off. Because if you rub, it'll rub in, not off. There, I got it. Oh, but that will got it. Yeah. Ah. That's interesting. What did I use as my moisturizer, y'all? Well, I put on that, Amoravitsa from Budapest, Queen of Hungary Mist. It smells so good, but you know what? I feel like it's making my makeup move. Yeah, it doesn't look very blended. Also, that was it. Right there. That means I'm young and I have oily skin. It's great. Actually, I feel like I need a little more mascara on this side. It didn't do too good. It didn't take too good. There's that little noise that you hear, that little... That means a lot of mascara just came off, and the little rubber stopper worked in trying to pull off the excess. That's what that little noise is. But I want enough on that you notice them. Yeah, and I don't know that I tipped that very good on this side. Just trying to get the tip ends so these lashes are... Some people don't even do their bottom lashes. I feel like you could do just your bottom lashes and really look like you had lots of lash. Because for some reason your lower lashes really show up more. Okay. But you can't look down, so I can't look down or it'll blot right on my cheek. Oh, I almost looked down. Just wait till that dries a second. No fallout. Okay, so for the zit, what am I going to do? I love the old CoverGirl just scroll up because it was nice and dark, but I have to say Tarte is a very heavy concealer and the perfect shape to get a zit. And then you just pat that all around and then keep going further and further out so you get that same color in that area, and it's not so just about that zit, that light color moving a little over here. Huh. There, very tip end. All that does is kind of highlight it. Try one more time, just the tip. Covered it. But again, I'm going to put some of that same highlighter cover over here so it doesn't look like there's a light color over there. Blend it out. There. And again, I feel like that this didn't do very good. My makeup didn't do very good today on holding on, and I feel like it has something to do with the fact that I put the Queen of Hungary Mist on first, y'all. Also, I'm going to put on a little, just a little bit of concealer right underneath here. Not a lot, because I don't want to mess up the makeup job I've already done underneath my eyes. But this is just, not adding any, I'm just kind of blending out what I have. Because it looks dry, my skin looks dry. I almost feel like I should not have put on the Hungary Mist, y'all. Do you think that's it, or just that I'm getting older? That sucks. Well, no, it doesn't. You know, alternative is, well, you going home to Jesus, that'd be pretty good. Yep, I'd be fine with that. Okay. And I feel like, oh, I don't know if it helped or hurt. You know, sometimes there's a time to just say, I'm done. I think this is that time, y'all. For me, just say, you know what, I'm done with my makeup for today. And this is the look. Do you know what? I never put on my blush. My blush or my, what am I trying to say here? Contour. So we'll just use today, we will use the Charlotte Tilbury, which is absolutely beautiful packaging. And these are the colors. And we will use the little brush that came with it because it's perfect because it's like fanned out. So you can use this just like that. Tap off, especially since you're wearing a white shirt, and go straight up and down. So this is left. And you know what? Having glasses on does not work for this. There. And blend backward just a little bit. And just a little bit. See how that just cuts in a little bit. That's all. That's all you want to do. Not too much. Don't overdo it with contouring. Just blending that out a little now. Almost straight up and down, like a diagonal line. And then a little on the hairline, especially where my hair parts, so it's not so bright. Right at the hairline. Just kind of takes down at a notch, and then I do a lot under here. And it just gives a nice shadow so you don't have so much fatty there. Be sure and blend down, blend down. And I'm going to flip sides and just do a very little of this. It's so pink, y'all. You don't need much at all. Just kind of blend back into the bronzer. Tip of there, tip of there, maybe a little right there. And we're done. And that's all. So that's the look for today.